Make some noise for Big Soso.
The hate your hate made me the kitchen prefect. A meat-based diet and meals where the primary source of meat is gotten from protein. How do they follow rules again? The CEO is speaking, please. Somewhere like this, how they just sit on the internet. What are you talking about? You have attitude problems. You get man outside where they sleep on bed with other boys. Yeah, get. Did I come here to be awake at night? Don't piss me off with that. Go and see a psychiatrist. Let them talk to you, Faith. You have a nasty attitude. You're a Barbie boy in a Barbie world.